Jeff. I stay with Jeff. And he's like, hey, this is my new typewriter. And I'd never written on a typewriter. So this is actually the first poem I ever wrote on a typewriter. It's called Happening Upon Jeff's Typewriter. Elliptically, the racket came flying flatways in across the room. A moment. Handle chasing its head. Now shudder and sing praise. And pull up the window blind. The stick walks the man, carrying his grocery bags. He believes in Tuesdays, the miracle of tone. Filling up a drink, she is a vase of green onion. She will wear it well. She talks nonsense at the western sun shade, laid lazy against the windshield of her 91 Cavalier. Buy me a Mexican baby, or buy me a beautiful baby, or buy me a wonderful car. But because I'm not elderly, I cried for my white hair impatiently. I remembered the 3 words in the old times. I suffer to know I can't die. Tomorrow's ago, the word does not listen. Today's we go. Sailing the shade for sea and fatten her up some. One heavied the levee down. I heaved the whole damn boat over to not take ITIN. Lob, sky or water, enough to see. Ha ha! But the ricochet has legion in poetries involving a net. Your hands almost shake themselves comfortably and congratulatory. Think, if you blink hard enough, your eyes will whistle.